We believe technology and entrepreneurship can solve the world's greatest challenges. With our partners at Sync, we launched the first Digital Wellbeing Global Impact Challenge. Our global call for startups resulted in 500 submissions from over 60 countries. We brought our 10 finalists to Silicon Valley to compete for the cash prize of $250,000 and a seat to the Singularity Executive Program. Finalists pitched to our team of judges, live audience, and our global live stream.
150 million kids every year get their first smartphone. They're falling in a digital deep. Our mission is to make sure that every child, wherever they are in the world, will have access to this.
We can get along online, we can thrive online, we can prosper, we can work together, we can collaborate, we can do all these things.
On behalf of our partners at Sync and Singularity, the grand prize is going to Chat License. Congratulations. And congratulations to all of our founders. Thank you.
Just having the idea of having a license for kids to use applications, this is an amazing idea, and I think it has a big potential, and we can see it with time being part of the flow. Whenever a child has their phone,
Let's build the future together.